Here is actually a new feature on X that allows you to react with a video. So if you are scrolling through X and you see a video you want to react to, all you need to do is to click on that regular button that you make use of while retweeting or making a quote. Now you are going to see a new option right there that says react with a video. All you need to do right now is to click react with a video. After you choose that, it is going to prompt you or rather bring you to another area where it allows you to choose a format you react with. So you can actually do that by clicking on this button, which allows you to choose the format you want to react with. So after you might have chosen a button, it is going to show another option below, just below this, just above this big red button for you to choose the option you like. So after you've seen an option you like, click on the big red button to start recording. Now, while your video is recording, immediately you finish recording your video, you click on the red button also. So once you're done, you can actually go ahead and click on this orange icon, or rather the pink icon, to confirm that you are okay or rather satisfied with your recording. So now the next thing you need to do is to click on next or confirm that you are okay, you're ready to publish. Now, after you confirm you're ready to publish, it is going to prompt you an area where it says publish. And there you can actually click the publish button and publish your video. Now, it is going to be seen as people are going to see it as you reacted to this particular video. So this, guys, is actually how to react on X. And this particular feature is not yet available for everyone, but then it is only available for iOS user. So if you do not use an iPhone, you are not going to have this feature on your mobile device. And this is only available for mobile users. So if you do not have it, let me know on the comment section. And also, this is coming very soon to Android users. But right now, it is still on the test phase and is only on iOS. So thank you for watching this video. If you have further questions, leave it on the comment section. See you on the next one. Peace.